Hi guys! Today I'm making shrimps with vegetable stir fry. It's healthy, simple and delicious recipe ever. Let's get started. For what I have here today is carrots, broccoli, ginger and garlic. But you can change out any kind of protein or veggies you want. It's totally up to you guys. Next, I'm going to season shrimp with a little bit of minced garlic, salt and pepper. Mix it up. Set aside, wait for the pan to get hot. Heat up the oil in the large pan. Once the pan is hot, add shrimps and let it sit for about 2 minutes. Don't overcook the shrimps because it's cooked quite fast. I think it's about ready, so just take them out of the pan. With medium-high heat, add garlic and ginger, then mix it up. At this point, your entire home will have the wonderful aroma of ginger and garlic. Smells so good. It's time to add our veggies, which is broccoli, carrot. Stir it up. Now we're gonna add soy sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, chicken broth or water. It's totally up to you guys. Taste and adjust flavor as you like. If you want more soup, you just add a little bit more of a chicken broth or water. Also, I will put the full recipe in the description below. By the way, if you guys like this recipe, please subscribe my channel for more amazing recipe. Now it's time to add shrimps back into our pan. Stir it up for a few moments and then our stir fry is done. Remove from heat, and now we have the best shrimps with vegetable stir fry. If you love something quick and simple, you gotta try this recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you know when we post a new video. Bye guys!